Use this versatile roller table wherever you need extra workpiece support. Features all steel welded construction and measures 19 by 65 inches long. This heavy-duty roller table will be one of the most useful and versatile tools in your workshop. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 1,000 pound capacity. 1-year warranty. Number 2. 4 independently adjustable legs. Number 3. Height adjusts from 263/8 inch to 44 1/8 inch. Number 4. 9 ball bearing rollers. Number 5. This 9 roller table features 4 independently adjustable legs for any leveling requirement. Ideal for elevation drops or gains to accommodate uneven floor surfaces and direct your materials to where they are needed next. Adjusts in height from 26 3/8 inches to 44 1/8 inches. The legs are capped with no-slip rubber foot pads and lock securely with the ratcheting lever knobs. The 9 ball bearing rollers effortlessly slide your workpieces over the table. Number 6. This heavy-duty table offers a whopping 1,000 pounds capacity and weighs in at nearly 80 pounds, making this roller table ideal for handling your larger stock. Works great as an outfeed stand for saws, planers, jointers and a variety of other machines. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.